food laboratory. It is medium scale, like semi-automatic processing line. It has the washing phase, and the shredding and filtration phase, and then the mixing. After that, there's a cooking phase, and then automatic filling phase.
This facility is very important, looking at the current trends in food safety and food processing. This facility will be of good use because of the machines that has been installed here. Because when the students come, they will get their on-hand experience. And when you live here, you know how to process a lot of food raw materials in the country. So it is very good to us.
At the main gate, we show the person, the camera inside the room. This lab is an electrical installation laboratory. Its purpose revolves around 3 axes. The first one is to give basic and advanced training to participants. The second one is for capacity building, and the last one is for research.
Looking at the kind of installations that we have over here, the equipment, yeah, there can vary a lot of trainings over here. For the electrical guys, there are so many trainings that we can even have within the electrical lab. It's very, very important, especially to our locality here. Yeah, because of the kind of training that we can give over here, especially to the youth and even those still in service. Yeah, because of the lab, the kind of equipment that we have in this lab here is very, very helpful, both the domestic side and also the industrial side.